What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is actually a special day. So my buddy Ian is actually leaving for Florida, and this right here is one of his dream cars. This is one of those videos. Oh, hey, I'm giving him the car. No, but this is one of his dream cars. He's always wanted to own one, always wanted to drive one. So today we're gonna give him the opportunity to drive the Hellcat. Yes, it's scary. Yes, it's like, ooh, giving someone else your kid, but like, I'm confident he's got this. So I just want to give him the opportunity to live that dream, drive this car, so he can mentally, you know, I drove one a long time ago, and as soon as I got behind the wheel, I set that goal. I'm like, wow, this is awesome. I will own one. And I kept going, and here we are. So I want to give him the opportunity to get behind the wheel, and for him to set that goal so he can achieve the same thing. That sounds so much better from the outside. Like inside, starting it up, never sounds like that. But like I said, guys, bear with me here for the next, couple days. When I'm all moved and everything's back to normal, crazy stuff is on the way. We should be bringing the truck back here within the next couple days, and I've got lots to do on that before Daytona. So we're gonna start digging into that immediately. But for now, let's head over, meet up with my buddy Ian, and give him the ride he's always dreamt about. Alright, we're with my buddy Ian. He's about to drive us, so we might as well remote start it. Get the full effect. Yeah. Did you drive VVIX Z06?
No, not yet.
You haven't driven it, but you rode in it.
I rode in it.
But you haven't driven it?
No.
Okay, I thought he drove it, but he didn't. So this is really his first. Is this your first time driving something this high horsepower?
Besides the bike? Yeah.
Besides the bike. Alright. Definitely gonna need these. Do you know how to drive this? I'm kidding.
I believe so.
I would hope so. And is it your door or my door? Try your door.
That was yours.
Oh, remote start. That's why I was like, wait, why are the lights on? Apparently we don't know how to drive this.
No. Boy.
Just know the speed limit and know to be, just wash your fluid, but just be,
Wash your fluid.
so know the speed limit. Well, you could kick it into manual in a little bit, but just get the hang of it. And also pulling out of the driveway, careful, because you will kick rocks here.
Where do you want me to go?
Whatever way you want to go, I don't care.
Wow, touchy brakes.
Yeah, Brembos. So I said you'll learn.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.
You'll learn it stops and goes when you need it.
Wow.
This is gonna be messed up because I usually don't feel this from the passenger seat, which is gonna absolutely suck. Because I know from the driver's seat it's definitely not as bad as this. Be aware of cops. That's all I'm saying.
All right, yeah, no problem. And to come up on those skid marks.
Yeah. I know. Actually, I'll have to show that real quick. Get the hang of it first, because what you're gonna run into is it's gonna feel like the rear end's doing things you don't want it to do, but you'll get a hang of it.
Should we take the highway home?
Yeah, that's fine. These right here, the other day, those are my burnout marks. You just know from like a standstill, it will not hook, but while rolling, you can almost do almost anything. Before I start sweating, I'm gonna put my vented seat on.
Oh, hello. I know that guy.
It's like, oh, look at the nice Hellcat, and it's not even the person. That always happens. It's always when I like give someone the keys to my car or my truck. I'm not the one driving it when it needs to be someone that need to see. Okay, I know you didn't even feel the tires hooked there. I'm like nervous. I don't even know why. So I know how the car handles. Wow, it was only 102. Oh, keep going. You gotta get exit.
Oh, I know.
107. That's what everyone says is that's the one thing. If you're ordering one of these, the one thing that changes the whole feel, the entire car, it's like $690, but getting the Alcantara package.
Agreed.
Literally changes the whole look at this car.
Just look at the black roof with the normal leather. Yeah.
Driving it like your Camry or what?
Oh yeah, there's a car. And the cop.
I know.
I don't know where he's gonna be. I gotta wait till we get around the bend.
See, isn't that crazy though? You're already at 70 and you're like, oh.
Feels like nothing.
Yep, feels like nothing. Didn't feel like anything to get here.
No.
But the best part is like you go from 70 to 100 and back down faster than you could like. That's what's nuts. And I haven't been comfortable with yet is varying my speeds at that rate for me to be like, okay, I can drive and go through traffic quickly, but also be like, if there's like an officer sitting ahead, I can slow down. I haven't got comfortable with that yet. Oh, there he is.
Where?
I mean, he's facing the other way.
Wow.
I tell you, that's how they roll. They're gonna roll.
Yep.
Do circles all day. Fun stoppers. Yeah, you can exit.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. That's funny. I've only it's like 117 is like the sweet spot of like it'll get there and cruise. I haven't been able to punch it past there yet.
No, we might have to do that. Have you driven with the black key?
No.
Not yet.
Hey, not say what does it do for me, but like what does it do for me? It's a first. Like every time I talk to somebody and I walk up and I have the car, they're always like, "Oh, driving with the red key." I'm like, why would I drive with anything else? It's like, oh wow. But like from the passenger seat, it like doesn't throw you back enough for me to be like, I kind of want the pulley and stuff now. I guess the quest for power is more, it comes from the passenger seat because I kind of want something more nutty for my passengers than myself. Did he just?
He's already out.
Already gone. But yeah, no, this guy just moved back here. Going, you gotta exit.
Wow, I know.
Drive through traffic. Drive it like it's meant to be driven.
We have to go to the next one.
Oh, you're fine. You'll make it right through this, right for this Lincoln. You gotta know that there's no chance these people will catch up to you.
It's on my car. I gotta be easy.
No, you gotta drive it like, oh, which is crazy because it's like it feels so natural in the shift. Wow.
I mean, that was pulling hard at 120.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Which sucks is like, if I went to 900, I probably would need the reps and the 315s.
Oh, for sure.
Because it would not hook. But oh, keep going. Go.
Oh.
Drive. Oh yeah. Wow.
Wow was right.
Yeah. I know.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's something.
Wow, but those brakes bring right back down.
Uh-huh. Yep. That's great. Wow.
That was.
It's probably why there's so much brake dust on this, because it's like
0 to 70 back to 0.
Yeah. It's really making me think. Well, first of all, I gotta do the air intake.
Definitely.
And then that pulley and tune is tempted me because
Just because
because it's like I could see how people say they get. When I first got this, I could like everyone at the dealership is like, oh, you'll get used to the power, you'll get used to the power, you'll get sick and tired of it. I'm like, there's no chance. But now I know what they say. But now I know what they're saying. It's like 700 horsepower is a lot until you're used to it, and then you're like, where's the more? So the more oomph. So that's just sitting here. I'm like, I'm gonna have to do it now. I'm gonna have to do it. I wasn't planning on doing it, but now I'm gonna have to do it from this side. That's the biggest problem with this car is you always feel like you're going way too slow every time. Even like I said, even at 120 there, it felt normal. It felt smooth.
Gets a little loose back there.
I know. I told you it doesn't hook, but the traction control in here does an awesome job of like actually working. If you turn it off, everyone says you'll end up in a ditch, which I can second that. Yeah. I don't know why the guy's braking.
I don't know. I'm so confused.
I was too. We totally. I don't even know how fast we went at that time. I was looking forward for once.
I was like 95. Oh yeah, that guy just flashed.
Oh yeah, there he is. There's a guy.
You can have no fun.
No fun.
Nope.
Here, hold on. Use the paddles. Downshift to like 3. Yeah, there you go. Now drive. And then,
does it automatically shift for you?
no, you have to shift. Shift. It's paddles.
No, I know. I was like, you can feel it when it.
Oh yeah. Punch. It's more fun that way.
Yeah. You can hear it too. You can hear all the shifts.
Yes. So that's why I said driving it like an actual manual one. That one actually throws me back. That's more fun that way.
Wow. Well, thank you.
No problem. Because like I said, as long as you're like, rather you experience it, then you're like, okay, now I need to work for this.
Wow, the man should have put in a manual earlier.
I know, I forgot until we were coming down the road. I was like, oh, I should probably do that. All right, guys, so just gonna move it over for a little bit, but like I said, it puts a whole new perspective on it when you actually get to drive the vehicle of your dreams and stuff like that. Get out there, test drive it, get behind the wheel, set yourself a goal, because stuff like this doesn't happen without you setting goals, making it happen. And the best part is sharing it with, sharing your accomplishments with people is what makes, you know, it all worth it. Like if you just keep this to yourself, it does you no good. You can't, I can tell you that for sure. It'll bring you more happiness sharing this with people than just keeping it to yourself. So I'm glad that I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to take that one back. But. So guys, I would honestly recommend, they don't really let you test drive these in general, but used ones they might. If you have a parent with you, obviously, you know, pretty much anything's achievable. But I do recommend getting out, test driving it yourself, getting behind the wheel, feeling the power, because once you do that, it makes it so much easier to set and achieve your goals. So if you enjoyed this video, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.